So you may have heard my brief introduction earlier. I'm Jeanette. I work for Atomic Object. We're here in Ann Arbor. I'm on Twitter, and I am here to talk to you about Emmet. Emmet, previously known as Zen Coding, is just a really neat little cool shorthand tool for writing HTML. What's really nice about it is there's plugins everywhere. So Visual Studio, Sublime, obviously, Eclipse, Notepad++. You can use it in pretty much anything you've ever used. So by using it, we can avoid stupid HTML syntax bugs. We can write HTML quicker. And it doesn't take a lot of memory because it's based on familiar syntax. The syntax for Emmet is the same as CSS and jQuery. You can even call it like reverse CSS. So I can show you here. So if I want to create a span, I'm going to type span. I'm going to hit tab. I'm inside a span. So if I want to do a paragraph, class syntax CSS is going to be a dot. I have a paragraph with a class of paragraph. I can add an ID. There we go. I can even add text. Happy birthday, SEM.js. There we go. All right, I can do custom attributes. It's our 13th meeting. It's gonna default type of text if I don't specify anything, which I think is great. I can, of course, make a div. What's really nice is div is like the most common thing we probably ever use as a web developer, so div is assumed. So I can just do this, nothing. There we go, I have a div. All right, I can do more than create one element at a time. I can create elements next to each other. So if I want to make two links, I'm going to go A plus A. There we go, I have two links right beside each other. I can create nested elements. So if you've ever used Bootstrap, this might be familiar to you. Oops. There we go. So I just create a call instead of row. I could certainly use the plus operator to create multiple calls. I can also go up a level. So if I want to do that row with, and then go up and create another row. There we go, and that up caret put me up a level, so now I had to put me back up to create that second div with that call inside. So I can create multiple items with multiplication. So I want to list. I'm using the $sign to say what item it is. There we go, we have a list of 5 items. I might have some other shortcuts that are really nice. So I want to create an HTML document, exclamation point tab. It's going to give me its framework for HTML5. Don't want to do HTML5. That's fine too. So if I want to add a style sheet, I can just, it has a nice little shortcut here. Link CSS. Bam, that's done. And it doesn't even have to be a normal HTML element. You might be familiar with this syntax if you've ever used Angular. And so if you use Emmet, you'll find, and just bear with me, that you can chain things together to create awesome looking HTML. The section. Put a data attribute on that. We'll put a heading inside our section. A label. A number input. And let's take some paragraphs with lorem ipsum text. And we can create 4 of these sections. And then put a footer on it. And there we go. So it's Emmet. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much.